हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आप हमारे इस चैनल आरबीएस फिजिक्स पर पहली बार आए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, बेल आइकन दबाएं, ऑल करें, जिससे कि हमारे वीडियो के अपलोड होते ही इसके नोटिफिकेशंस आपको मिल जाएं। हम लोगों को अभी गासला पढ़ा हम लोगों ने, और उसके बाद फिर ये कैपेसिटर्स हैं, कैपेसिटेंस है एंड कैपेसिटी ऑफ द कंडक्टर्स है। एक कई चीज़ हम लोगों को और आगे देखने। Now, if suppose there is a conductor, this is a conductor, and we know if charge is given to the conductor, its potential increases. The potential V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 charge upon radius of the conductor. Suppose conductor is spherical. This is the potential. Now, if charge is increased, potential is increased. It means the charge given to any conductor and the potential of the conductor are directly proportional. Yani Q is proportional to V, or Q is equal to CV, or Q upon C is equal to Q upon V is equal to C, where C is a constant for the conductor. This is capacitance of the conductor. Capacitance or capacity or capacitance of the conductor. If V is equal to 1 volt, C is equal to Q, it means capacitance of a conductor is the charge given to the conductor to raise its potential by unity. The capacity of the conductor, the capacity of a conductor is equal to the charge given to raise the voltage by unity. एक वोल्ट का अगर इसका हमने पोटेंशियल चेंज करने के लिए, इसके लिए जितने चार्ज की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी उसी को हम उसके कैपेसिटेंस या कैपेसिटी कहेंगे. The capacitance or capacity C is equal to Q upon V. This is called Coulomb per volt. Coulomb per volt is called Farad. This is a Farad. This is very large unit, and therefore smaller units are used. Microfarad is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 farad. This is microfarad. Nanofarad is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 farad. Microfarad, which is known as picofarad, 10 to the power minus 12 farad. These are the smaller units which are used. So here we know that farad means when 1 coulomb of charge is given to a conductor to raise the potential by unity, then the capacitance is equal to 1 farad. And when the voltage is raised by 1 volt and the charge given to the conductor is 1 coulomb, then the capacity of that conductor is equal to 1 farad. यानी 1 farad means when the capacity of that conductor is 1 farad, when 1 coulomb charge is given to the conductor, which raise the voltage by unity. Now the capacitance of a conductor, capacitance of spherical conductor, capacitance of spherical conductor. This is center, this is radius of the spherical conductor. We know that whatever charge is given to a conductor, that resides on the surface, outer surface only. If this conductor, whether it is solid or it is empty, that is, it is shell, but the charge is always on the outer surface. The charge is not inside the conductor, but behaves as if the charge, whole charge is on the center. व्यवहार तो उसका ऐसा रहता है जैसे सारा चार्ज केंद्र पर रखा हुआ है, बिकॉज द इंटेंसिटी ड्यू टू द चार्ज ऑन द सरफेस इज रेडियल coming from the radius outwards. It means, it seems that the charge is on the center, and therefore first we calculate the potential on the sphere. The potential of sphere V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0. Charge is given Q, therefore Q upon its radius, and therefore capacitance C is equal to given the charge and the potential. The given charge Q and the potential is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon R, or therefore C is equal to 4 pi epsilon 0 R. This is capacitance of the spherical conductor. Now, what is capacitor and it is used for what? Let us see. We have one conductor. Suppose this is given a charge Q. And therefore, the potential of this plate, the potential on the plate, on the conductor, sigma upon epsilon 0. The potential on the conductor is sigma upon epsilon 0. Sorry, the intensity the intensity is sigma upon epsilon 0. Now suppose this can have only Q charge. If more than Q charge is given to this conductor, its potential rises. Suppose the charge is Q and the potential is V. If charge is equal to Q and potential is equal to V, then capacitance is equal to Q upon V. Now put another plate parallel to this, nearby this plate. We know that due to the induction, the minus charge is on this, the plus charge is on this side, and minus charge is induced on this side. Now the potential of this conductor due to this minus is reduced, and due to this positive charge increased, and net potential of this plate, that is plate 1 and plate 2, net potential of plate 1 is decreased. Let us understand like this. Suppose the charge is 100 coulomb and the potential is say 20 volt, and that the capacity of the conductor is so by 20 is equal to 5 farad. Now this plate is placed here. Therefore, due to the induction, there is minus charge and there is a plus charge. Suppose the positive charge is induced positive charge is equal to अब चार्ज तो इंड्यूस उतना ही होगा जितना इस पे होगा, उतना चार्ज इस पर होगा. इंड्यूस्ड पॉजिटिव चार्ज इज 100 एंड नेगेटिव चार्ज इज इंड्यूस्ड नेगेटिव चार्ज is minus 100. Then that net potential of plate 1, अब इसका अपने चार्ज के कारण से इसका पोटेंशियल 20 वोल्ट था, प्लस 20 वोल्ट. जो माइनस चार्ज है इससे दूर है और इसलिए इसके कारण से इसका जो पोटेंशियल होगा कुछ कम होगा. मान लिया दिस इज इक्वल टू माइनस 16 वोल्ट. ये और उस पार है, दूर है, इसलिए इसके कारण भी कुछ चार्ज होगा. सपोज दिस इज ए 14 वोल्ट and the net charge is 18 volt. 18 volt. And therefore the capacity of this capacitor, therefore capacity C is equal to, चार्ज तो हमारे पास वही था 100 बटा 18, Now the capacity have been increased by 0.5 farad. So there was a conductor which was given a charge 100 coulomb, voltage 20, उसकी जो कैपेसिटी इतनी थी, अगर हमने उसके पास भी जस्ट प्लेस ये कंडक्टर, ये प्लेट लाइक दिस इज आल्सो ए कंडक्टर प्लेट लाइक दिस प्लेट, only this was placed, this was a uncharged plate. Due to this uncharged plate, this is charged, positive charge on outer side and negative charge on inner side. These two charges affect the voltage of this plate 1, and the voltage becomes suppose 18 volt, and the capacity increases by 0.5. So in this we see that when ये an arrangement is made, that is another plate is placed near to this, its capacity increases. Suppose this side, this is attached to the earth, then positive charge go to the earth, and therefore the total voltage will become only this 4 volt. When this is 4 volt, charge is the same, only 100, and therefore the capacity will increase about 25 farad. So we see that by just making an arrangement of these conductors, the capacity of this system has been increased. So this is the how this is the reason, this is the theory of the capacitor. Yani in capacitor we use two conductors of similar size, whether the conductors are a plate, whether the conductors are the spheres, or conductors are one cylinder and other cylinder. Yani either they are cylindrical or spherical or plates. Any type of conductors are used to make the capacitors. So therefore we can say that capacitor is an arrangement to increase the capacity of the conductor or to collect the charges on a smaller area. So we can say that the capacitor is an arrangement to increase the capacitance the capacitance of the system are and used for collecting charge and energy in a small area, in a small space. थोड़ी जगह में, थोड़ी एरिया में, थोड़ी स्पेस में, in a small area or a small space. तो कैपेसिटर्स क्या हैं? कैपेसिटर ये कंडक्टर्स हैं और उन कंडक्टर्स को इस प्रकार से हम अरेंज कर देते हैं कि सिस्टम का जो कैपेसिटेंस है वो बढ़ जाता है। कैपेसिटेंस जब बढ़ जाता है तो इनमें चार्ज को और इलेक्ट्रिकल ऊर्जा को इकट्ठा करने की इसकी शक्ति बढ़ जाती है, कैपेबिलिटी बढ़ जाती है, कैपेसिटी बढ़ जाती है। इसलिए द कैपेसिटर इज एन अरेंजमेंट टू इंक्रीज द कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ द सिस्टम, कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ द सिस्टम, and you are used for collecting charges and electrical energy in a small space. These are capacitors. Capacitors बहुत प्रकार के होते हैं और वो capacitors को पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर, स्फेरिकल कैपेसिटर, दो प्रकार के कैपेसिटर्स को हम लोग यहाँ पढ़ेंगे। वैसे तो सिलेंडर का होगा, सिलेंड्रिकल कैपेसिटर भी होता है, इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक कैपेसिटर होते हैं, बहुत सारे होते हैं, लेकिन हमको ये पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर यानी स्फेरिकल कैपेसिटर पढ़ने। तो इन पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर्स वी यूज टू प्लेट्स विच आर प्लेस्ड पैरेलल, either air is in between the plates or some insulator material, dielectric materials are filled in between the plates. So when the insulator materials or dielectric materials are filled in between the plates, its capacity is increased. Or if there are only plates and in between the plates there is air, but there are two plates parallel to each other, and therefore this capacitor is known as parallel plate capacitor. In parallel plate capacitor, the plates may be a rectangular or a square or some any other size, but they are parallel to each other. Now, capacity or capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. There are two parallel plates are parallel. Suppose a positive charge is given to this, and either the charge is given by the cell, if the charge is given by the cell, one polarity is joined to here and other is joined here, one becomes positive and other becomes negative. So the charge is given, plus Q charge is on this plate and minus Q is on this plate. We know that the total charge or net charge on the capacitor is 0, but we say that the charge on the capacitor is Q, because when we say the charge of the capacitor, it means the charge of the capacitor on one plate. So charge of the capacitor on one plate is A. Now in between the plates, suppose there is air. There is air in free space, and the distance between these two plates is D. Because this is positive, this is negative, and therefore first when air or vacuum or free space का can say or free space between the plates. If surface charge density sigma, charges Q and area of these many plates is A, then sigma is equal to Q upon A, and therefore field, electric field between the plates E sigma upon epsilon 0. When the plates are of opposite charge, then between the plates the charge is sigma upon epsilon, and outside the plate is the intensity 0. So inside the plate, between the plate, the intensity is sigma upon epsilon 0. This electric field intensity is uniform. Sigma is equal to sigma, E is equal to sigma upon epsilon 0 means the intensity at all these points is same. And therefore potential difference between the plates V. We have learned earlier that E is equal to delta V upon delta X. Potential gradient is equal to intensity. We can write it like this: E is equal to V upon L or V upon X, and therefore the potential difference V is equal to intensity into the distance between the 2 points जिनके बीच पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस निकालना है. तो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस टू प्लेट्स. देयरफॉर इंटेंसिटी मल्टीप्लाई बाय द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टू प्लेट्स. पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बिटवीन द प्लेट्स V is equal to E into D. E is equal to sigma upon epsilon 0. Or this is equal to sigma is equal to Q upon A. And therefore capacitance C is equal to charge given to the capacitor upon potential difference Q upon QD upon A epsilon 0, and therefore C is equal to A epsilon 0 upon D. This is the capacitance when there is free space or air in between the plates of a parallel plate capacitor. पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर के बीच में अगर हमने हवा रखी है तो उसकी इंटेंसिटी, उसकी जो कैपेसिटी होगी वो इतनी आएगी. वी नो दैट कैपेसिटी मीन्स द चार्ज रिक्वायर्ड टू रेज द पोटेंशियल बाय यूनिटी. इनके प्लेट के बीच का पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस यूनिटी करने के लिए, चेंज करने के लिए जितने चार्ज की जरूरत पड़ेगी, दैट इज द कैपेसिटी ऑफ दिस कैपेसिटर. तो दिस अमाउंट ऑफ चार्ज विल बी रिक्वायर्ड टू रेज द वोल्टेज पोटेंशियल ऑफ दिस कैपेसिटर बाय यूनिटी. नाउ कैपेसिटर ऑफ ए पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर, व्हेन there is any medium inside the plates. When there is any medium, any dielectric, तो when any medium is in between the plates. Now the surface charge density sigma is equal to q upon a and the electric field between the plates is equal to sigma upon epsilon 0 नहीं होगा जब इसके बीच में कोई ना कोई डाइलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट भर दिया जाएगा, कोई ना कोई इंसुलेटर पदार्थ भर दिया जाएगा, कोई मीडियम इंसुलेटर मटेरियल भर दिया. Suppose the dielectric constant is K, then this is equal to the intensity is reduced by this 1 upon K. Yani in here, if it is E0, that in the medium, that is E0 upon K. So now the intensity is sigma upon epsilon 0 K between the plates. Now potential difference between the plates is equal to V is equal to E into D. A similar formula. Now this is equal to epsilon 0 K, where K is dielectric constant. Dielectric constant of the medium. इस मीडियम का डाइलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट है और इसलिए हियर इट हैव बिकम क्यू डी अपॉन ए epsilon 0 K and therefore the capacitance C, now C is equal to charge upon potential difference, that is QD upon K. This is K. This is the capacitance when there is a medium in between the plates. Here we see that due to this medium, the capacitance increases K times. So here we see that the capacitance of the capacitor depends upon the area of the plate. This is constant. Therefore, C depends upon the dielectric constant of the medium in between the plates and inversely proportional to the distance between the plates. If the distance is increased, the capacitance decreases. But if area is increased, capacitance increases. And if dielectric constant is increased, capacitance increases. Now let us see here that the capacitance C is directly proportional to the area of the plate. Secondly, it is directly proportional to the K and inversely proportional to the T. This is the capacitance C. Here also we see that when air is between plates, तो C0 is equal to A epsilon 0 upon D. उसको हमने C0 कह दिया जब उनके बीच में हवा है प्लेटों के, तो हमने मान लिया उसकी कैपेसिटी C0 है। और व्हेन मीडियम इज बिटवीन प्लेट्स, उसको हमने C कहा। C इक्वल टू A इप्सिलॉन 0 K अपॉन D। It means C upon C0 is equal to K. C upon C0 is equal to K. अर्थात डाइलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट is the ratio of the capacitances of a capacitor when there is space, free space in between the plates, or there is any dielectric constant in between the plates, or C is equal to C0 K. The air capacitor has air capacitor capacity is 5 microfarad, is placed between in the water. Find the capacitance. We know that C is equal to C0K. C0 is 5 microfarad and K of the water is 81. K W, this is 81. Therefore, this is 5 on 5. This is the capacity of the capacitor when that is inside the water. When it is in the water, the capacitance of the capacity increases K times as in the free space. When we charge the capacitor, this is say capacitor. When we charge, we just join these plates. This is minus and this is plus of the cell. Suppose this is V volt. The charge is given to the capacitor till the voltage between these plates becomes equal to the potential difference or EMF of the cell. यानी EMF of the cell is equal to the potential difference between the plates of the capacitor. इधर से होके धारा बहने का नहीं है, डीसी इसमें से होके बह नहीं सकती। चार्ज आएगा, धन चार्ज इस पे आ जाएगा, इकट्ठा हो जाएगा और ऋण चार्ज यहाँ इकट्ठा हो जाएगा। इफ यू जस्ट डिसकनेक्ट दिस, इसके ऊपर चार्ज जो आया वो चार्ज इकट्ठा रहेगा, चार्ज कहीं नहीं जाएगा। देयर इज नो वे टू गो द चार्ज एंड द पोटेंशियल इज सेम एज द पोटेंशियल वाज ही। अगर ये 10 वोल्ट था तो 10 वोल्ट रहेगा। तो इस तरह से व्हेन दिस कैपेसिटर इज ज्वाइन टू ए सेल, द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बिटवीन द प्लेट्स बिकम सेम एज द EMF ऑफ द सेल। वन थिंग। Secondly, once the capacitor is charged, a charge is collected on the capacitor and we know that charge is equal to CV. V that of the cell, and C is the capacity of the capacitor. This is the value of the Q. Once the Q is collected on the plates, इसको आपने खोल दिया। अब इसके ऊपर जो चार्ज आ गया ये कभी घटेगा नहीं, चार्ज कम ज़्यादा नहीं होगा, क्योंकि चार्ज कहीं जा नहीं सकता, कहीं जाएगा नहीं, न नष्ट हो सकता है न कहीं से आएगा। अब इफ यू जस्ट फिल इट विद एनी डाइलेक्ट्रिक, अगर किसी डाइलेक्ट्रिक को इसके बीच में आपने डाल दिया और ये कनेक्शन यहाँ खुला हुआ है, तो डाइलेक्ट्रिक के डाल देने से उसकी कैपेसिटी बढ़ जाती है, उसकी कैपेसिटी बढ़ जाएगी, बट चार्ज रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट, चार्ज इज कांस्टेंट, कैपेसिटी उसकी बढ़ गई, इसीलिए पोटेंशियल उसका घट जाएगा Q/C। चूँकि कैपेसिटी बढ़ गई इसलिए उसका पोटेंशियल अब घट जाएगा, पोटेंशियल जितना पहले था उतना नहीं रहेगा। तो ये कुछ चीज़ें हुई, विचार था अबाउट कैपेसिटर्स। वीडियो देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। यदि इस चैप्टर में किसी भी प्रकार का डाउट होता है तो आप हमारे कमेंट सेक्शन अथवा हमारे सोशल साइट्स पर जाकर पूछ सकते हैं, जिसका लिंक हमारे डिस्क्रिप्शन पर दिया हुआ है।